Yo, happy New Year's to every single body that watching this video. When I don't know, when a large job and thing, large job all the people that give the shoutouts in this video. Respect, when I don't know, watch and enjoy. Put God in the life for 2015. Yeah.
Hi, it's Empress Zinga. I know I'm supposed to do this fantastic shout out to the 2,000 people that I know and who have been supporting me for the entire year, but that's going to be impossible because this video is supposed to be short. What I want to leave with you is this: do not give up at all. I know some of you who may be watching this are either strapped for cash, strapped for time, strapped for love. Do not give up on yourself. Know your worth. Push yourself to be the best you can be for 2015. You've planted numerous seeds this year, and now it is time now to tend your garden and reap all of the benefits of your hard work. If you haven't sown any seeds, that's fine. 2015 might be your year to sow some seeds, but please do not give up on your vision or your goal for 2015. I know everybody starts in January, but January is literally just the beginning. You have about 11 more months to go to be back here in December. Don't give up on what you have. Do not do stupid things with what you want or you're about to accept. And the most important thing that I will leave you with is that you might have some clutter in your life. Literal clutter, figuratively speaking as well. But you might have some clutter in your life which you may need removing. And I will tell you something about gifts. If you open your hand and your hand is empty, you can take the gift that is waiting for you. However, if you have your hand filled with junk, there is no way you can receive the gift. What I suggest is look around you, look at your friends, look at your family, look at your love life, look at your school, look at whatever it is that you're doing in your life, your new job, your old job. What is it that is cluttering right now in your life? Take a step back, meditate on it. If you realize that these things aren't worth saving, I suggest you declutter, open your hand to receive your gift. Have a blessed, prosperous, as my grandmother would say, and a beautiful 2015. Peace.
Hi everyone, this is a quick message from me, Rebecca in England. Happy New Year, Jamal, and to everyone in Barbados, especially my family. I hope you enjoy and be blessed. Take care.
Happy New Year to each and every one, to my mom, my brothers, my dad, my sisters, each and every one in Barbados, on behalf of me, my wife, my son, and her family. Happy New Year to one another.
Yes, well, Happy New Year!
Happy 2015. Well, if you can actually say that. Love each and every one of you guys here in Dominica, in Barbados, no matter where you are. I love you all, and I hope to see you guys soon. Mwah.
I just want to say Happy New Year to all of my Bajans all over the world. I want to say shout out to Sharima. Well, Siobhan in here, but he would have made the video too. My cousins, all my family, also all my Bajan people from Canada. All my Bajan people.
Got a shot. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm going to see you.